Hi, this is Marie Watkins from FreedomLab.biz with another cheat sheet video from the series Video Marketing with No Regrets. Learn to love creating video and reach a larger audience at the same time. If you don't have time to read my blog, this is the bullet point version of my post in just a couple of minutes.
This is the highlight video for the post 9 stress-free ways to boost your self-confidence on video. Self-confidence on video is key. When you appear nervous and unsure, your audience will feel it and it will affect their perception of you as an authority on your topic. Here are a handful of easy ways that you can quickly boost your self-confidence and ramp up your video making. Talk to the mirror. Practice in front of a mirror. This is a time-tested method used in public speaking that does build self-confidence on video. Just do you. One reason people get so nervous about video is that they think that they have to be alt newscaster or corporate on video. But you can only be you. Just be yourself. Go for bullet points. When you create your script, don't write down every single word. Instead, jot down bullet points or short phrases. Then practice out loud so that you know what you're going to say when it's time to record. Only do a few takes. When you record your video, do just a few takes to get in the groove in front of the camera. Outsource editing. Once you're done with your takes, you can choose the best ones to include in your final video. If you're not that good at editing, you can outsource to a video editor on Fiverr. There are 4 more techniques detailed in this post that you can read on my blog at FreedomLab.biz. What to do next? Get all 12 posts plus our resource kit, the ultimate PowerPoint shortcuts, how to make surprisingly stunning video without a camera. Click the link below to get yours now.